People with drug addictions will often go to great lengths to hide their addiction, and some even hide the symptoms from themselves so well they don't realize the severity of the dependence. Thankfully, there are treatments out there to help overcome addiction, but even the best treatments are of no use without first recognizing there's a problem. In this video, we'll go over some of the biggest signs that someone has an addiction problem. Behavioral red flags. Behavioral red flags to be aware of are things like difficulty in school, disinterest in school activities, lowered work performance, and appearing tired and disinterested during work. Other red flags include an increased tendency to seek privacy, decreased appetite, defensiveness when asked about drug use, drastic changes in relationships with others, and abnormal requests for money. Physical red flags. Physical red flags to be aware of are things like bloodshot eyes, poor skin tone, and inappropriate or dirty clothing. Other things include decreased hygiene and weight loss. Recognizing these signs can significantly increase the odds of the drug user recovering from their drug addiction. User experience. Next, let's talk about signs of drug addiction from the perspective of the user. Some symptoms are a need to use drugs daily, intense urges to use the drug that blocks other thoughts, and needing more of the drug to have the same effect. Other symptoms include maintaining a supply of the drug, cutting back on work or social responsibilities, failing to quit the drug, and experiencing withdrawal. That list should help give you a sense of what the drug user is experiencing and what thoughts are running through their head. If you experience these symptoms, it's time to reach out and seek help from family or addiction specialists. An individual should seek help when he or she cannot stop using the drug despite the negative consequences. These include when drug use has led to dangerous behaviors and when withdrawal symptoms are experienced after abstaining from the drug. The best way to help a loved one get through their addiction is through incentives to see a doctor rather than direct confrontation. This is because confrontation can possibly escalate into violence and ultimately non-cooperation from the user. No one wants to be told that they have a problem, especially a problem of the mind. This should be handled in a non-judgmental, helpful way. You want the person to realize that treatment is not against them and is not intended to cause harm. If you're concerned that you or someone you love may be developing a substance addiction, the Asana Recovery Center may be able to help. Call us at 949-438-4504 to learn more about our comprehensive alcohol and drug addiction treatment program today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.